Drop the arms, lift and open. So there's a tiny back bend there, not much. Breathe in, exhale, lift the arms with the breath in, open your chest, a little back bend. Inhale, exhale, look up, imagine that you can see blue skies. Not very, you have to have great imagination. Drop down, look up and open your chest and your arms. Do a couple more of those. Feet grounded, magnetized to the earth. Chest lifts, spine opens, and open your chest with your breath. One more. So use your full breath to do this. Fully exhale. Hands drop and shoulders roll. That big shoulder roll that's really part of our Pilates tradition. Up, back, down and drop. Open your chest so that you're heart centered, so that your heart shines, your shoulders drop, and your chest opens. Superb. Good. So I'm going to lift my arms again. And this time, as I push away, take it into a parallel squat and sweep your arms forward. Drop the arms and climb up. Push through the feet. Again, feel the feet are magnetized to the floor. Open the arms, sweep forward. Just get those legs warm and the hips warm. And feel as if the movement and the breath come together. And climb up. Have two more of those. You can go deeper if you wish, but keep your chest higher than your hips. One more, all the way up. Chest higher than hips. You can push your bum down. Good. Lift your arms, and this time bring the hands forward in front of you, and let the hands drop to your side, and just give your shoulder blades a squeeze. Come forward, arms in line with ears. So it looks very simple, but because we are Pilates practitioners, we know that there's a lot going on. We know that as we lift our arm, we're dropping our ribs. We know as we lift the arms, we're tightening the tummy. We know as we take the arms back, we're trying to stabilize through our core. Add in a leg. So take the foot behind, keep your chest up and lift your leg, and then land the foot, hip distance apart, and take the other foot behind and lift the leg. The inclination in your body is to tip. Don't. Keep your chest lifted, open your chest, be open-hearted. So breathe in, lift the arms. And as you exhale, I just want you to slide your leg behind and squeeze your bum. Lift your arms and take the other leg behind and squeeze your bum. Just give me one more of those. Just cement that in your body, in the flow of your body, your breath, and it becomes automatic. You've learnt that movement pattern. Fabulous. Add on. Front knee, toe on the floor, lift it. Now take the foot behind, squeeze your bum. Let's do that on the other side. Knee, lifts, leg goes back, squeeze your glutes. Great. So a good way to do the two main areas, your shoulder stability and your pelvic stability. Holding yourself still, strong through your core, pulling your tummy in. Be aware of your shoulders and how you pull your scapula back, whilst moving your arms and legs. Everything comes from the core and you're in control. You can feel the work coming from a centralized point. One more. You know I'm going to make it harder, but I like to make it flow and enjoyable at level 1. So roll your shoulders and pick up your band. We're using bands this morning. So take the band across your thumbs. I'm going to take my band just outside of shoulders, not too much, and I just want you to start with a little gentle resistance. You're going to be here with this move for a while, so don't be too overzealous. Little pulse. And as you do this little pulse, what do you find's going on in your body? Do you feel the muscle in your shoulder? Can you feel the muscle in the back of the shoulder? Are you activating your shoulder blades? Not much, but a little. Consciously aware of where this is coming from. Lift the arms, and the arms line up with your ears, and give me a few pulses here. Tighten your tummy, feel magnetised to the floor, hands in front. Oh, it's so good to feel alive and aware of how we're holding our body, what muscles we're using, and heightened our awareness gives us a focus, and it helps us to chill, to relax. Yeah, good. Bring the hands forward, open through the chest, lift the arms, and feel it more in the shoulder and the upper back. That healthy shoulder, well done. So we'll start to add on, second level. Arms come forward, one leg steps behind, tip, hinge, lift the leg and let the arms drop underneath the shoulders. Now squeeze your bum, little pulses in the glutes as the arms push out. Good, now land the foot, tighten your tummy, take the arms all the way up and pulse here. Take the arms forward, slide the other leg back. When you're ready, hinge and take the arms to the floor, directly under your shoulders, and squeeze your bum. Now land the foot, lift the arms and pulse at the top. Okay, got that rhythm? Keep going. Arms forward, slide one leg back, hinge or tip forward, pulse the arms, pulse the glute, one side of your bum. Foot lands, arm lifts, pulse. Good. Arm comes forward, foot goes back, lift and pulse. 5 pulses, 5 or 6 pulses, not too measured, just what feels good for you. I'm going to do 2 more of these. Lift the legs, squeeze the bum, keep pushing your chest forward. As we get tired, we'll start to crumple. So keep activating and pushing your chest forward. Opening your chest. Great. Starting to feel that tension build in your muscles, in your shoulders. Yeah. In your glutes. And of course, this balancing move challenges your core. Your abdominal and back muscles making up your core holds you in that position. So it's happening for you. Final level, lift the knee and pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the leg back. Oh, we're sweeping. We didn't touch the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot down, other knee. Lift the knee. Toe first, then the knee. Pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're sweeping. Yes, we're sweeping. Off the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Land safe. Other side. Knee lift. Pulse. Lift the knee. Pulse the arms. Slightly behind you. Activate the upper back. Leg back. Arms drop. Pulse. Squeeze the bum. Good. Well done. So remember our little motto. Doesn't matter if we wobble. Wobbling is part of the process. It's keeping us agile, adaptable. It's allowing the muscles to find their true centre of gravity. So give me 2 more. Be comfortable with your level that you've chosen. Take the leg back. Squeeze your glutes. Work your arms. Great. Other side. Looking powerful. Love your work. Take the leg back. Sweep it. Yes. Good transition. Lower the chest. I'm loving it so much. We're going to do one more. Arms up. So you haven't even noticed how much arm work you're doing. Ha-ha! Cunning. Back you go. And last one on the other side, so we're even. Lift the knee, lift the arms, sweep back, and let the arms go. See how easy that became because we built it slowly. Roll your shoulders, work through your feet. You took your body with you. It understood what was asked of it, and it worked harder through the levels. If you'd have gone straight in, bang, it wouldn't have been so effective. Hands up, palms up I should say, elbows in, feet hip distance or naturally, and just rock forward and back until you feel centered, and rotator cuff work. Good, so pull your tummy muscles in. Things I notice, sometimes when people have got tight shoulders, they'll move their whole body in order to facilitate this move. That tells me your shoulders are tight. Keep your elbows stuck in and keep your shoulders still. Isolate the work in the shoulder. Other things I'll notice, people will do that. You can see them concentrating and they'll let their head tilt. So bring your head to the centre. But other things I notice in class is people muttering under their breath, swearing. It's all good. It's all part of the process. Try both arms. Elbows in, both arms. Good. Wouldn't it be fun if we were to take one foot forward, do the rotator cuff and lift them? Yeah, I thought so. 4 more. Balance and rotator cuff. So much to think about. Good. Keep going. 2 more. Nice. Put the foot down. Try the other side. Foot forward, arm out. Good. Lift the foot. Can you keep it off the floor? Yes, you can. Lift the chest. You've pre-programmed. Your nerves at the knee, ankle and hip. Pre-programmed. They know what they're doing. Have you noticed how tight your shoulders are? I am. That worked. Roll the shoulders. Release your neck. One last move. Both arms. Turn and lift slightly. I'm no higher than my shoulders. Elbows in, forward. Turn, lift, not much. Elbows in, face the front. Pull, lift, elbows in, forward. Wow, that gets every single muscle in your shoulder, chest. I'm going to keep going, I've got to do 5. Turn, in, centre. Keep your feet magnetised to the floor. Feel that magnetic work through your feet. Feel grounded to your feet. Thank you. Keep going. Come on, we can do this. One last one. Oh, I'm feeling the warmth in my arms. And release. Good. Fabulous. Roll the shoulders both directions. Just one last little one. Put your band on your foot and lift one leg. Okay, not too high, but see where you can go. Use this as an active stretch. Yeah, good. Well done. So this is an opening, this is a mobility move for your hamstring. The band is being used as a help, a resource. Now I'm going to leave my leg in the air and bend my knee. And let your arms go with it. Bend your knee. Push it away. So the work is in my supporting leg. I get that. I won't have you here long. I'm going to do 5 of those, letting the arms go with the leg. Now I'm going to pull my elbows into my waist. Hold my arms still, which will power my shoulders, my biceps. Thumbs up. Push the leg away. Fantastic. 5 of those, you count. And then final level. Push the leg, pull the elbows back. Wow. Push the leg, elbows back. All the things we love she says, wobbling. About Pilates, balance, core strength, chest opening, shoulder blade work. Yes, it's so good. Do another 5. 5 to finish. 5. Breathe out. 4. 3. I love your work. Come on, high foot. 2. 1. Release. I get it. It's the supporting leg. So push through your feet. We'll do a little stretch, but let's do the other side first, in case I forget. No, obviously. Lift the other leg. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Good. Lift and lower. Now keep the leg in the air and bend the knee and push away. Bend and push. Bend and push. So you're stabilising through the supporting leg, you're stabilising through your core, your chest is high. Level 3, elbows into waist. Keep the elbows still, keep the leg moving. Quad work, balance work, core work. Final level, ready? Leg forward, elbows back, release. Breathe, release. It's because you're slow, it's because you're considered that you're so strong. Internally and externally. The stabilisers and the big muscles. 4 more. Good, come on, high chest, tummy tight, elbows back. Last 2, last 1. Oh, put the band down. Pump through your feet. Roll through your shoulders. Teach the muscles to tense. Teach the muscles to release. Round the other way. Here are your stretches. There are lots of variations. Variation 1, lift the leg, cross it over, drop to the floor. So if you've had a hip operation or you're waiting for a hip operation, just keep your feet separated. If you're comfortable going down, notice how that feels. If you're looking for more, lift the arms, big toe on the floor in front of you, bend the supporting knee, put the foot on your thigh. Hands to hips, push your bottom back. I want to say hallelujah here. This is a deep-seated piriform stretch. This helps to release through the hips and the pelvis. Chest is higher than your hips, and you play with this, as we always do. You could take your arms out. You could take your arms towards the floor. These are all options. I'm exploring my options at the moment. Perfect. Climb up slowly. Land the foot, pump through the feet, roll through the shoulders, and do it on the other side. Other leg, start with level 1. Foot comes across. Drop to the floor. So we're going through the layers of the muscle. And the first layer is the hamstring. Lift the arms, bring the big toe to the floor, bend the supporting knee, and place the ankle on the thigh. Hands on hips, chest is higher than your bum. Imagine that you're taking a seat. Hang out here and feel it in the side of this bottom cheek. Extend the arms if you want to play. Drop the arms if you want to go deeper. Stay with it. Give me a couple of deep breaths in the posture. Feel the stretch becoming deeper organically with your breath. And when you're, I'd love to stay there all day, genuinely. Bring your feet down, roll your